We're so happy. Another endorsement for you. You do deserve it. You worked so hard and remain so beautiful. So, Mr. Lopez Chua is truly lucky to have you. But you grew up, tulad ng sabi mo nga, na surrounded by all these beautiful jewelry na alam, of course, ni Tita Annabelle kung paano kumilatis, paano tingnan. What has she taught you about choosing a piece of jewelry? And what among those lessons that she taught you did you see in Magical Gems?
First of all, thank you so much for the article you wrote when we did Kabayan Remit. Nabasa ko. Napakaganda na sinulat mo.
Thank you.
And, well, my mom, actually, lagi akong pinapagalitan ni Mommy kasi hindi daw ako marunong mag-alaga ng alahas katulad niya. Pag sinasauli ko na sa kanya, marumi na raw, punong-puno ng makeup, hindi ko daw nalilinis. So, lagi niya akong inaaway. Because she said, pag may mga alahas ka, kailangan alagaan, punasan, huwag mag-spray ng pabango, suotin yung alahas after mong make-upan, hindi not during. And also, ingatan talaga and treat it like it's an investment. Maybe because nasanay na ako, the only girl ako, and my mom would always give me jewelry, parang it was part of my life growing up na, you know, ito mga alahas na to. So para sa akin, parang pang everyday ko. I don't feel comfortable na wala akong suot na ikaw, feeling ko parang lalaki ako or ano. Nasanay na ako doon. So I love jewelry and she always tells me na alagaan, punasan, and gamitin as an investment because it's really an investment na you can use till the end of time and you can pass it on also to your children.
And kayo po, sir, where are the gems sourced? Because like Rufo was saying, hindi siya accessory, it doesn't, they are precious stones.
They range from semi-precious to precious stones. They're sourced from all over the world. And I would say like what Rufa is wearing right now, it is a London blue, which is the company color. She's wearing London blue topaz with pink sapphires. Pink sapphires with pink topaz. Yeah.
How much?
Composition.
It is worth how much?
It's very inexpensive, I would say. I think this is the first. I would say that these pieces are one of a kind. No duplicate copies unless a customer comes asking like, I want this also, I want this, can you make this for me? But if we find we're able to source the stones, yes, we can do the second piece. But these pieces normally are very popular, and this kind of designs are more popular in Europe, in US, so if there's a second piece, you don't find it here in the Philippines. So practically, it's a very good piece to own because of the value that you only have this in the Philippines. And I can assure you that all the styles that we carry, you cannot find them anywhere in the Philippines. I am exclusive to this. And very inexpensive. That's the best part. Because you cannot believe that, because we purposely set them in silver, but heavily plated in gold. We do not use gold, we do not use diamonds. But as you can see, I think you will agree with me that the beauty is not missing. It's not lacking of beauty despite the absence of diamonds. No? So it's very affordable. Something like that is less than 500,000.
Sir Harry, I remember when we had our first meeting, kinuwento mo sa akin na yung mga Filipinos, when they first have a piece of jewelry for the first time, they're more inclined to buying diamonds. So, paano natin sila matuturuan na maganda rin mag-invest sa semi-precious or precious stones?
That's why God sent you to me. Because you're a perfect epitome of, I would say, somebody that can carry any kind of jewelry well. Like even if you let Rufa wear, I would say, a fashion accessory, it will still look good, classy and expensive. And but then, okay, I carry complete lines. I have in fact more diamonds because as I was telling Rufa, diamonds are more for the mainstream, conservative, but these are personality pieces. And the reason why I'm highlighting this is because I believe that every woman can experiment with their jewelry, like even on a very semi-formal or dressy casual, you will look good with gemstones. Again, if I had to add more with what Rufa shared earlier about her mom cautioning her to be very careful, like it's kind of difficult to be wearing too much diamonds on a day event. You might be courting trouble, you know. But this one, every single piece is real stone. We are dedicated to not use plastic, synthetic, nothing, no cubic zirconia. Every single stone is real gemstone. But, akala ng tao siguro fake. Siguro akala nila, but if you are not in the sphere of promoting that I am rich, but then that is perfectly fine. Because this speaks volume of your personality. So I would say women who are strong, passionate, women who are unapologetic with what they want in life, like Miss Rufa, then you will wear it.
Okay, thank you.
Sinabi ko talaga, Ma, ayoko nang hiramin yung mga alahas mo kasi every time na hinihiram ko yung mga alahas ni Mommy, may 4 siyang pinapadalang security and then every minute kasi tawag siya. O yung mga alahas ko, dahil baka mawala. Kasi stress ako, hindi ako makapag-memorize. So ngayon, ginagamit ko yung alahas ng Magical Gems. Nagbabantay po yung anak ni Sir Harry ng kanyang girlfriend. Pero at least hindi nila ako kinukulit tungkol sa alahas kasi nakabantay talaga sila doon. And maiiba talaga, especially for the big scenes, talaga makikita nyo na kakaiba yung mga alahas ko sa Beauty Empire.
Ang bongga rin kasi ng Beauty Empire, di ba? Pinakamalaking show po ng GMA View
Creation.
Yan. This is going to be June, ano na ba to?
Different press con yun, June.
Meron pa kayo pag-usapan?
Oo, meron
next week
tayo.
may pa-press con sila. Kung invited po kayo, hindi akin yun.
Yeah, so meron kaming, yun, malapit na ipalabas ang Beauty Empire. We're currently taping right now. And ilalabas yun sa aking birthday month sa June.
Parang pag-birthday sa'yo.
Investment, when I was 17 years old, was actually a watch. So, hindi pa ako nag-alahas noon kasi marami na akong namana kay Mommy. Pero yung first pinakamalaking purchase ko was a platinum Rolex. So, it's not really considered jewelry, pero it's an investment, yes. Kasi my mom and dad would always teach me to invest either in jewelry or property or save it in the bank para hindi ko magastos sa mga panglabas-labas, sa pang-travel, or mga experiences. But I think the most precious jewelry that I invested in,
Secret pa yan.
hindi ko pwedeng yung binigay na lang sa akin. Yung may jewelry kasi binigay nung tatay ng mga anak ko sa akin. Pero ang nangyari, maganda siya, it was the engagement ring, iniwan ko sa safe sa Istanbul nung umalis ako. So, hindi ko siya nadala. But I remember that being one of my best investments during that time. Kaso, nagmamadali na ako umuwi sa Pilipinas, naiwan ko siya doon. So, kailangan, di ba sabi nila, pag alahas or jewels or precious gems, madaling bitbitin wherever you go. Kasi, you just put it in a bag and you can leave. Yung mga paintings, mga lupa, medyo mas mahirap. So marami akong investments through the years and gifts also. So I can't pinpoint which one is more special.
Yeah.
Well, parang nanonood yata siya ng mga videos online. Parang kaya niya pumunta. Buti nagpadala pa ng allowance. So I think magkikita na lang sila sa abroad.
Thank you, Ruby. Thank you, Leia. Yeah. Siyempre, next natin.
Pandemic.
With?
And, hindi, for ano yun, invite lang ako.
Hindi, at saka
last
nag-taping
time-
tayo sa Samar Island.
Sa Samar Island, yes, for the Tapes Guts to be a Gutierrez. And I was there last year for the opening of Landers. So nakita ko talaga, aside from the traffic, talagang napakalinis, napakamaayos, and mahal ako ng mga Dabawenyos. Every time they see me, talagang tuwa sila sa akin. So, binibisaya ko rin sila ng slide.
Ang bongga ng Landers siya. Inirin yung kanila ulit for mentioning that. Pero syempre, hindi na po natin.
It's not easy to promote. But then here, something as beautiful, magical, enchanting like this does not cost, will not cost you the arm and a leg.
So nice siya. Sabi nga ni Mr.